Right, the steam stripper. A very useful piece of equipment for removing stubborn wallpaper, in particular overpainted wallpaper. I would exercise caution though when you're thinking about using these for two reasons. If it's an older style property, you may find if the steam and the heat penetrates into the wall, you'll be taking half the plaster off. So again, a time and a place. Newer buildings, not such a big problem. And the other thing, do bear in mind, this is boiling water under pressure in these. All right, so when you do fill these up, at the start of the day, unscrew your lid, cold water goes in, make sure the lid goes back on, screw it nice and tight. That then forms a seal, okay? You need the seal formed for the pressure to build. Plug it in, switch it on, the pressure builds up. If you think you need to check how much water you've got, switch the steam stripper off on the machine and on the mains where you've plugged it in. Wait until it has stopped making a hissing noise and steam isn't coming out this bar here. If steam is still coming out of this bar, there is boiling water in pressure still in the tank. If you undo this, especially if you are crouched in front of it, you will have boiling water coming out of here under pressure. I will let you think about the consequences of that. All right? Okay, so using it, once we've actually got the steam pressure built up, the steam comes along the hose, out the bar, these various holes, and all we need to do, it's nice and easy, hold the plate of the stripper against the wall that we want to strip. Give it 30 seconds, move it to one side, strip what you've been making hot. If it doesn't move, put the steam stripper back. That will soften the paint and the paper. Move it over, strip this. Whilst you're stripping this area, you continue to hold this against the wall, and that is softening your next area. So once you've actually got the right temperature and you've figured out how long this is taking, you strip, move it along, strip, move it along, and just repeat the process over the whole wall. Once you've got the wall, or indeed the ceiling stripped, just return the stripper back to its bracket, turn it off on the switch, turn it off on the mains, let the pressure die down. Once the pressure has died down and the water has cooled, undo the cap, empty out any remaining water, right? Otherwise, if it just lays in there, this is a metal drum, it will obviously rust. All right? So make sure you empty it out before putting it away back in storage. And that is your steam stripper.